What are CSS pixels for HTML viewport settings? Imagine designing a website that looks great on a tiny phone and a big desktop screen. How do you make sure your content fits perfectly on all those different devices? That's where CSS pixels and viewport settings come into play. CSS pixels are a kind of measurement used in web design. They are not the same as the physical pixels on your device screen. Instead, they act as a standard unit that helps keep things consistent across different screens. Think of CSS pixels as a universal ruler that browsers use to size and position content. This way, your website can look similar whether someone is viewing it on a phone, a tablet, or a computer. Now, the viewport is the part of the screen where your web page is visible. On mobile devices, the viewport is usually smaller than on desktops. To control how the browser displays your page, web developers use a special tag in HTML called the meta viewport tag. For example, they write meta name is equal to viewport, content is equal to width is equal to device width, initial scale is equal to 1.0. This tells the browser to set the viewport width to match the device's width in CSS pixels and to load the page at a 1:1 scale, meaning no zooming. The device width in the viewport tag refers to the width of the screen measured in CSS pixels, not physical pixels. This helps make sure the layout adapts well to different device resolutions. When you set the viewport width to device width, your page will automatically adjust to fit the screen size, making it easier for users to read and navigate without zooming or horizontal scrolling. The initial scale controls how zoomed in or out the page appears when it loads. A scale of 1 means the page is shown at its actual size. If you change the scale to a higher number, the page zooms in, making everything appear larger. If you set it lower, it zooms out, fitting more content into the view. Using CSS pixels and viewport settings is a simple way to make your website responsive. It ensures your content looks good on all devices and provides a better experience for visitors. When you include the viewport meta tag with width set to device width and initial scale at 1, your website will automatically adjust its layout to match the screen size. This is a key step for beginners wanting to create web pages that are both attractive and easy to use on any device.